and show you guys what this is. Big boy right here. Okay, let me open this up with my only custom knife. Okay, let's see. So, ladies and gents, this is, oh shoot, oh what? Yo, I was only expecting one backpack. Your boy got hooked up with two. What? Okay, first, let me show you guys this. So this is by Ctactical. All right, this is the CT4W. I'll show you guys their site in a second here, but I'm super excited to open this. Oops. Okay, this is their sling or waist pack, and the material itself made in Vietnam. All right, made in Vietnam, which is weird because it's shipped out of Texas. And if you go on CT's site, you're paying about $25 for shipping, but if you add shipping on top of how much this costs, it's still very affordable. But taking a closer look on here, this is multicam black hook and loop panels. Okay, so do I have anything? Haha. Do hard things, made by AAM, my boy Brendan. Bam, slap that bad boy right up front. Okay, and then it has a front zipper here. Ooh, look at the high vis orange that is on there. Okay, let me give you guys a different view, shall we? Transition. Hello. So this is the pouch. All right, and then this is the front pocket. There's no organization in there or anything, but it has a nice orange inner liner to help you locate your stuff. And then if we look back here, there's also another pocket to store your items, also high vis orange. And then the main compartment here opens up clamshell, full on, and it has a zippered mesh pocket right up top in the front panel. And then right back here, you have hook and loop once again. And then all around the interior, you have orange high vis material that can help you locate your stuff. So made in Vietnam, Ctactical. It's made of Cordura fabric, black multicam. And then let's take a look at this. So X was talking about this last night, and he said this is gonna bug him. Quite honestly, just looking at it, it's kind of bugging me as well because it's silver. I thought it was gonna be black. So I can live with that though, you know? And let's see, do I have to adjust this at all? So this is how I would typically carry this bad boy on my front side. Why? Because I carry. If I didn't carry on body, then I would have this on my waist, and I wouldn't cop out like how Joe Rogan was saying. But this is pretty nice. I mean, this isn't rubbing on my neck or anything like that, this clip here specifically, so it's not bothering me at all. And this is my typical setup. You know what I'm saying? So CT4W, that's what it is. CT4W. I like it. It's a nice size. 4W because it's 4 liters. Let's check out their website, shall we? Transition. It goes for $34. So this is a multicam. I have the multicam black. This is my specific one right here. And it's 39 bucks. So the black multicam, a little more expensive. Let's see the price. Oh, black one is $27. All right. You got your DB camo, shadow gray, coyote, olive green. Let's just look at the multicam black. All right. So the materials, it's made out of 500D Cordura, has high vis color ripstock 210D. The zippers are YKK, and the dimensions, so let's look at this. Total capacity is 4 liters. It's 30 by 16 by 9 centimeters. And then, so 11.5 or 11.8 by 6.3 and 3.5 inches. What does it feature? It's a crossbody waist pack, however you want to wear that. It's built from high strength water repellent, Cordura 500D, yada yada yada, you get the gist. So X was saying that this guy was a little smaller built, so it looked a little funnier on him because it looked a bit large. But yeah, so this is how it looked like on this guy. There's an organizational insert that this guy added on here, which I also have linked to my Vertex Gamut 3.0. So I'll probably 2.0, I'm sorry. And no, I got 3.0. And I'll probably move that into this pack. And then it looks like you can actually use this backside loops to tie to your belt if you want to do it like so. All right, so that is the CT4W. Now